Welcome to AJ Factory Flow. Today we are going inside one of the most secure facilities in the United States. The place where they print the $100 bill. Armed guards at every door. Biometric scanners for every employee. Vault doors that weigh 20 tons. Most people will never see inside this place, but today I am taking you with me. From raw cotton to finished currency. Step by step. Machine by machine. Let's start. Most people think money is made from paper. That's wrong. American currency is made from cotton. 75% cotton, 25% linen. Raw cotton bales come into the factory. They are broken down and mixed with purified water. The mixture becomes a thick slurry. This is the beginning of every single $100 bill. This is where the magic happens. A giant rotating cylinder dips into the cotton slurry. The cylinder has a special mesh on its surface. And on that mesh is the face of Benjamin Franklin. As the cylinder turns, water drains away. The cotton fibers stick to the mesh, and a thin wet paper forms. The watermark of Franklin is now inside the paper, not printed on top, buried inside. Before the paper even dries, another machine adds the security thread. This is a special ribbon embedded inside the paper, not glued on top. Inside. If you hold a real $100 bill up to light, you can see this thread. It has micro-printed text that says USA 100. You cannot photocopy this. The wet paper now passes through giant heated rollers. Steam dries the paper. Pressure makes the surface smooth. The paper is now ready for printing. But this is still just blank paper. No green, no numbers, no portrait yet. That comes next. Now the real work begins. The paper goes into an offset printing press. These are massive machines, 200 feet long. The first layer is the green background pattern. Then the blue security tones. Each color comes from a different printing unit. The paper passes through every single one, layer by layer. The design starts to appear. This is the most important step. Intaglio printing. A giant steel cylinder is engraved with the face of Benjamin Franklin. The engraving is deep. The cylinder is covered with dark green-black ink. A wiper blade removes ink from the surface. Ink stays only inside the engraved lines. Then, 60 tons of hydraulic pressure forces the paper into those engraved lines. The paper gets crushed into the ink. When it comes out, the ink is raised. That's why you can feel a real $100 bill. Your fingernail catches on the ridges. Photocopiers cannot make raised ink. Next is the hologram. A machine applies a small patch to each note. This patch has a Liberty Bell inside. When you tilt the note, the bell changes color. Copper to green. This is called color shifting ink. Very difficult to copy. Very expensive to make. That's why counterfeiters hate it. Every single note gets a unique serial number. The numbering machine has rotating metal wheels. Black ink prints the numbers. The prefix tells you which Federal Reserve Bank issued the note. This note has FUP. That means Fort Worth. Every number is tracked. Every number is unique. Now the notes go through inspection. Ultraviolet lights reveal hidden features. The serial number glows yellow. The security thread glows green. Lasers measure paper thickness. High-speed cameras check every millimeter of every note. If one single note has a defect, a blast of air pushes it into a locked reject bin. No defective note ever leaves the factory. After inspection, the large sheets go into a rotary cutter. Each sheet has 32 notes. The cutter punches out every note. The waste paper is shredded and recycled. Nothing goes to waste. Now the notes are individual. They go through a high-speed counting machine. 100 notes are counted perfectly. A paper band wraps around them. The band says Federal Reserve Note $100. 100 notes make one strap. 10 straps make one brick. 40 bricks make $1 million. The straps go into cartons. Each carton holds 100 straps. That is 10,000 notes. $1 million per carton. A robotic arm stacks the cartons onto wooden pallets. 40 cartons per pallet. $40 million on one pallet. That's what you are looking at right now. The pallets move into the vault. Concrete walls 18 inches thick. A steel door that weighs 20 tons. Temperature and humidity are controlled perfectly. Paper currency can last for decades if stored correctly. This vault holds billions of dollars at any given time. When the currency is ready for distribution, it leaves the factory in armored trucks, GPS trackers, tamper-evident seals, armed guards. Every pallet is tracked from the moment it is wrapped to the moment it arrives at a Federal Reserve bank. Nothing is left to chance. From cotton bales to armored trucks. From water and pulp to raised ink and holograms. That is how the United States makes its $100 bill. This is Factory Flow. If you love watching how things are made, hit that subscribe button. Join the flow. I post new factory tours every week. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Subscribe now. I'll see you in the next video.
Hold. Locking latches engaged. Seal checked. Confirmed against manifest.
number 47 verified. Dispatch clear.